kapok aloso to dahero ni mondo I introduce an go wadwa manaluwo niluongo no Osewe ne nigi nindo to ne gi jaode odwa mana no mosu daka achiel. 1 minute.
Okay. To His Excellency, the President, Mama Ida, and everybody. Nyinga Entabu Osewe, and Yurjakom, Adiambo Emanelu Ojaoda. I'm also the area MCA. So I'll take this opportunity to welcome you all here because this is my ward. To Mama Ida, Ohula, Omuomowa, Takwa Imama Minpin, Nikikiwe Ulani, Odikodwa. Ne Dr. Buru, ne Dr. Wenwa, Beryl, Adiambo. And the entire Odinga family, let us keep together as always. To Raila's 3 children, we are not only proud of you, but we love you very much and we expect to see Baba in you. Ayuaramola, you are eating kionge toji openja. Mayuaramola, you are eating konge toji chayo. Ayuaramola, you are eating kionge toji ocha. Mayuaramola, you are eating kionge tojogi kinya. Joey. Thank you very much, everybody.
I'm also, many of you here never knew that I have a right hand. My right hand is here today. Anbe nakendo ga yoga nakuja. We mono mosu di chiel, en manera ila mano miyago. Most 1 minute, just don't talk much. Let's talk.
Okay. Jambo. I'm pleased to be here with special greetings from Ghana and from the Buzia family and the royal family of Winchi, to the great man who is lying down there. And I'm so pleased to be here, a man who stood for justice for the whole of Africa. So I'm so pleased and honored to be part and parcel of this process, saying a farewell to one of our finest and greatest. He was a fine person with a finer mission and the finest vision for our continent. That's why we're all here today, and also here with the family. Thank you.
Sankara, Raila, Odinga, Buzia. Joey! Thank you.
My water Martin, Achakena Gola was my third born brother.
Alongoni Papa Patron. Anchogo Machogo. Korago Imos. Winter. I go Imos. Aerocommando.
Thank you. You can go and sit. Yeah. I will delete and gipek. Raila molo nyathiwa ni nyeno siepna. Ne kitwa chal. Othuon ta thuon. Koro nuwa luor rekata. Samoro we are not take to marebe take. Molo. Luo. Aluo Odinga. Gimeri. Nyatemo totama. Baba Nyasaye no heri. Idhi Odinga wonu. Idhi Mary. Imos Gidute, Imos Tobias, Imos Albert, Imos Omwodo, Galogo. Iwe, Nise Chandria Hinya, Ichandrine Kenya to Kenya no Kanekata. Wodo Dingi Chandrine Kenya. Ithoki Chandrine Kenya. Javiwa. Kata kamano. Joey! Imichame Mari! Modong Kirigen! Alwog imichame Mari! Modong Kirigen! Sakwa wawinja malid! Sakwa lo! Lo jajuok! Yawa sakwa nyonuru lo jajuok! Do Raila mawodo dinga lo nyonuru lo jajuok! I don't want to say much, but I'm going to say this. I was with Raila throughout most of the time. Even when we left Fort Kenya, I was with him. We went to NDP together. And I remember in 97 when he came to Nakuru, myself and the Honorable Ouda now, who used to be my youth, we went to Massive Ferguson and told them we wanted to test their Tinga. They gave us the Tinga. We went and got him as he was entering Nakuru and took him up to Stem Hotel with the Massive Ferguson Tinga. I have been there. In 1982, some of you don't know, you only see me in this siasa. I'm the one of the first women who was said that I was with my brother as he was picked to go to detention. I was forced by the society to be one of the first women exilees. I went living in Uganda, Tanzania, and ended up in Zimbabwe. When my brother was supposed to be taken back to detention in 1990, he was asked where he wanted to go. He said, I'm going to Norway to my sister. Raila became a refugee in Norway, staying with me, Ruth Odinga. I'm just saying this to show you that this was a stoic man. The family has suffered because he sacrificed himself. Some of you are looking here, you don't know what Mama Ida has gone through. I used to know, I stayed with her. Being alone without your husband for all those years, the 9 years, I didn't see people mentioning. Some of these men, my fellow colleagues, even MPs here, to hear just about a cell, I was saying, you know, Raila would go to Yedonga Jela, he got quiet to Donga Jela, he got shell, Ario, Nakochiko, Monodisho, Hogdito, or Tuan Kosokatuan, or Tuan Kosokatuan, or Chandana Kenya Kosoko Kenya. Nyakamane Koro Mogikni. Raila toka podi wagomana Kenya. Anyo go kodwambaka. Anyo oro jogi mo wacho ni mondo nyeona ticket. Ago ero kamano ne joma ne Raila out to last minute. Jomoko goga joma ni around Raila. To mage nyithind Raila. Sala njiwe wakani salo cage. Ne vedo ki Raila kamora mora. Ago ne ero kamano. Ago kairo kamano. Ne ogeta. Maurice. Ogeta Maurice walo analuongera ni ground and ground. No changi sendi ogeta. Saniti ne izo chopa iwa ya ground. Chieng ni duoge yuda ground. Ogeta ki wani neno. Gi Dr. Lunya. Gi wini nyaka wuor. Gabiango. Onge gima teki neno ngama tuon Raila ka koro nindo pinjo kama okika wondu onge gima tek. Gatego nindo. Wako ni koro baba zigi kwe. okno yotnwa to turwa anamor na nyuchul bonga laktar ma Odinga ane laktar ma thiedho ji te chakre Dr. Gurma wado manikani nyamera moro ni nan go India iluongo ni beri la chieng pod tuo ko nya chop to nyamera kane tuo to monya ya to openyen be sefen de laktar kanyo dhi nyoro na ticket monda dhi abed kode kaka laktar ana wona neno kaka Raila molo digo to natiwa digi kwe. And what you said about our party must remain. You told me that at 8 in the evening, the day before you passed on in the morning. It was only a weak party. We must be united. ODM must be united. And it must be strong. And if it is not strong, if it is not strong, ODM! 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 ODM must unite. We cannot have an ODM in Guinea-Wuko, another ODM being led by some other people, another ODM being led by a few people who think they own the party. ODM belongs to all of us. Some of you who want to take it now don't even know how we started ODM. ODM in Marwa. And we are going to go to any negotiation table with a strong, united, one ODM.